Life on the American frontier demanded endurance, adaptability, and determination. Cowboys spent weeks or even months driving cattle across vast stretches of open land, often facing harsh weather, rough terrain, and long days in the saddle. At the heart of every cattle drive was the chuck wagon, a rolling kitchen that provided the meals necessary to keep cowboys working. While many people imagine cowboys surviving only on beans and coffee, the reality was far more interesting. Chuck wagon cooks prepared a variety of practical meals that have largely disappeared from modern memory. One of the most common chuck wagon meals was cowboy beans. Unlike ordinary baked beans, these were slow cooked for hours with salt pork, onions, and spices. The result was a filling, protein-rich meal that could feed an entire crew. Another staple was sourdough biscuits. Trail cooks carefully maintained sourdough starters, using them to bake fresh biscuits in Dutch ovens buried beneath hot coals. These biscuits accompanied nearly every meal. Salt pork and gravy also appeared frequently. Thick slices of preserved pork were fried in cast iron skillets, and the grease was transformed into rich gravy poured over bread or biscuits. Corn dodgers became another reliable food. These dense cornmeal cakes required few ingredients and could be cooked directly in a skillet over an open fire. Beef stew was especially popular during colder months. Tough cuts of beef simmered with potatoes, onions, and whatever vegetables were available, creating a hearty meal after a long day on the trail. Cowboys also relied heavily on dried apples. These lightweight fruits traveled well and were often cooked into simple desserts or eaten as snacks. Another forgotten favorite was skillet potatoes fried in bacon grease. Crispy, flavorful, and filling, they became a welcome addition to breakfast and supper alike. Coffee remained the most important beverage on the trail. Strong black coffee boiled directly in large pots became an essential part of cowboy culture and was consumed throughout the day. Sourdough pancakes occasionally appeared at breakfast. Made using the same starter as biscuits, they offered a rare change from the usual fare. Another practical meal was beef hash. Leftover meat, potatoes, and onions were chopped together and fried in cast iron skillets, ensuring that nothing went to waste. The chuck wagon itself became a symbol of life on the frontier. Managed by the trail cook, often called cookie, it carried flour, coffee, beans, dried fruit, bacon, and other essentials needed to feed hungry crews. Meals were rarely luxurious, but they were vital. Every biscuit, pot of beans, and cup of coffee helped fuel the cowboys who drove cattle across the American West. Though many of these foods have faded from modern menus, they remain important reminders of frontier life. The meals served from chuck wagons tell a story of survival, resourcefulness, and the rugged spirit that helped shape the American frontier. As cattle drives stretched across hundreds of miles of prairie, food became one of the few comforts cowboys could count on. The chuck wagon followed close behind the herd, carrying supplies and serving as a mobile kitchen. Every meal had to be practical, filling, and capable of surviving harsh frontier conditions. While many cowboy foods have been forgotten, they once played a vital role in daily life on the range. One favorite chuck wagon meal was campfire chili. Long before modern chili competitions existed, trail cooks prepared simple versions using beef, beans, onions, and dried peppers. The spicy flavor helped break the monotony of everyday meals. Another staple was Dutch oven roast beef. Large cuts of beef were placed inside heavy cast iron Dutch ovens and cooked slowly over hot coals. The result was tender meat that provided much-needed protein after exhausting days on horseback. Cowboys also enjoyed flapjacks for breakfast. These thick pancakes were easy to prepare using flour, water, and sourdough starter. Served with molasses or syrup when available, they became a welcome morning treat. Another forgotten favorite was beef and rice stew. Rice traveled well in chuck wagons and helped stretch limited meat supplies. Combined with beef and seasonings, it created a satisfying supper. Salt-cured bacon appeared at nearly every meal. Because it could survive long periods without refrigeration, bacon became one of the most dependable foods on the frontier. Fried bacon often provided grease used to cook other dishes. Another practical meal was cowboy hash. Leftover beef, potatoes, and onions were chopped and cooked together in large skillets. It was simple, economical, and highly filling. Trail cooks frequently prepared hominy as well. Made from processed corn kernels, hominy offered variety and paired well with meats and gravies. Beef ribs occasionally appeared when fresh cattle were available. Slow cooked over open fires, the ribs became one of the most anticipated meals on the trail. Another forgotten chuck wagon favorite was fried apples. Dried apples were soaked in water, then cooked with sugar and spices to create a simple dessert. Cornbread remained a daily staple. Easy to make and inexpensive, it accompanied beans, stews, and meat dishes. Throughout the cattle drive season, coffee continued to be essential. Cowboys often joked that coffee was more important than water. Strong black coffee helped riders wake before dawn and stay alert during long hours in the saddle. Meals served from the chuck wagon were carefully planned because supplies had to last for weeks. Trail cooks became experts at stretching ingredients while still providing enough calories for hard-working crews. The cook often held one of the most respected positions on a cattle drive. A skilled cook could boost morale and keep cowboys satisfied even during difficult conditions. These forgotten chuck wagon meals reveal the ingenuity and resilience of frontier cooking. Though simple by modern standards, they fueled generations of cowboys who helped build the legend of the American West. Every pot of chili, skillet of hash, and pan of cornbread contributed to a way of life that remains one of the most iconic chapters in American history. The success of every cattle drive depended not only on skilled cowboys, but also on the food that kept them moving across the frontier. Long days in the saddle demanded high-calorie meals. Prepared with limited ingredients, the chuck wagon became the heart of camp life, providing nourishment, comfort, and a gathering place after exhausting days on the trail. One of the most popular chuck wagon meals was cowboy chili beans. Unlike modern recipes, these beans were often cooked in massive cast iron pots for hours, absorbent flavors from bacon, salt pork, onions, and dried peppers. The dish provided protein and energy while remaining inexpensive to prepare. Another frontier favorite was skillet steak. Whenever fresh beef was available, trail cooks cooked thick cuts directly over open flames or in heavy cast iron skillets. Though not an everyday luxury, steak nights were always welcomed by hungry cowboys. Sourdough bread remained another important staple. Trail cooks carefully protected their sourdough starters because they allowed fresh bread to be baked even in remote locations. The bread accompanied nearly every meal. Another forgotten meal was beef and biscuit pie. Leftover beef stew was placed beneath biscuit dough and baked inside Dutch ovens, creating a hearty one-pot supper. Cowboys also relied heavily on dried peaches. These preserved fruits lasted for months and were often cooked into cobblers that provided a rare, sweet ending to trail meals. Another common breakfast dish was fried mush, made from cornmeal porridge prepared the previous day. Slices were fried in bacon grease until crispy and golden brown. Potato and onion hash appeared regularly as well. Potatoes stored well inside chuck wagons and became essential ingredients for many meals. Another practical food was smoked sausage. Because it remained edible for extended periods, sausage offered variety while requiring little special storage. Cowboys frequently enjoyed rice pudding whenever milk and sugar supplies allowed. Though simple, it became one of the most popular desserts served from the chuck wagon. Another forgotten favorite was campfire rabbit stew. Cowboys occasionally supplemented wagon supplies by hunting rabbits along the trail. The meat was combined with vegetables and simmered slowly into warming stews. Molasses served as one of the few sweeteners available. It flavored biscuits, flapjacks, baked goods, and desserts while providing extra calories for hardworking riders. The chuck wagon cook faced constant challenges. Supplies had to last for weeks, weather conditions could be unpredictable, and hungry cowboys expected satisfying meals after difficult days. Despite these challenges, experienced cooks developed impressive skills. They transformed basic ingredients into meals that sustained entire crews across vast distances. Meals often became the social center of camp life. After cattle were secured for the night, cowboys gathered around campfires to eat, drink coffee, and share stories from the trail. Though modern images of cowboys often focus on gunfights and adventure, daily life revolved around practical routines like cooking and eating. These forgotten chuck wagon meals tell a deeper story about frontier survival. They highlight the creativity, resourcefulness, and determination required to live and work in one of America's most demanding environments. From sourdough bread and chili beans to rabbit stew and peach cobbler, these meals fueled the cowboys who helped shape the history and mythology of the American West. The American frontier was a place of endless challenges. Cowboys spent weeks guiding cattle across rugged terrain, often far from towns, stores, or fresh supplies. In this demanding environment, the chuck wagon became a lifeline. Packed with preserved foods, cooking tools, and essential ingredients, it served as a traveling kitchen capable of feeding entire crews. Many of the meals prepared on these wagons have faded from memory, yet they played a crucial role in sustaining frontier life. One common chuck wagon meal was beef and bean soup, combining dried beans, beef scraps, onions, and seasonings. The soup simmered for hours in large iron kettles. It provided warmth during cold evenings and enough nourishment for hard-working cowboys. Their forgotten favorite was campfire meat pie. Trail cooks used leftover beef, vegetables, and biscuit dough to create hearty pies baked in Dutch ovens beneath glowing coals. Cornmeal mush became a regular breakfast item. Prepared the night before, it could be sliced and fried the next morning, creating a crispy and filling meal before riders mounted their horses. Another staple was dried beef gravy. Salt-cured beef was chopped and cooked into thick gravy that was poured over biscuits, bread, or potatoes. Cowboys also enjoyed simple onion soup. Onions stored well during long cattle drives and became valuable ingredients whenever fresh vegetables were scarce. Another practical meal was bacon and bean skillet. Combining two readily available ingredients, this dish delivered protein, flavor, and enough calories to fuel long days on the trail. Dutch oven cobblers remained popular desserts. Dried peaches, apples, or berries were combined with simple dough and baked into rustic sweets that boosted morale around campfires. Another forgotten frontier food was boiled beef and potatoes. Though simple, it provided a reliable source of energy and could feed large groups with minimal preparation. Cowboys frequently ate hardtack as well. These durable crackers lasted for months and were often softened in coffee or stew before eating. Another favorite was campfire sausage and potatoes. Smoked sausage paired with skillet-fried potatoes created a satisfying evening meal. After exhausting workdays, coffee remained the center of nearly every meal. Trail cooks brewed enormous pots that seemed never to empty. Cowboys drank coffee before sunrise, during breaks, and after supper. Life on the trail left little room for luxury. Meals had to be practical, inexpensive, and easy to prepare under unpredictable conditions. The chuck wagon cook often rose hours before everyone else, preparing breakfast while the camp remained asleep. By the time cowboys awoke, fresh coffee and hot food were already waiting. These forgotten meals may seem simple today, but they represented ingenuity and survival. Every pot of soup, skillet of potatoes, and Dutch oven cobbler helped sustain the men who drove cattle across thousands of miles of frontier wilderness. Though modern conveniences have transformed cooking, the foods of the chuck wagon remain powerful symbols of the American West. They remind us of a time when determination, resourcefulness, and a good meal around the campfire could make all the difference on the open range. Looking back at chuck wagon cooking reveals far more than a collection of old recipes. These meals tell the story of frontier endurance, hard work, and the resourcefulness required to survive in the American West. Every ingredient carried across the prairie had a purpose, and every meal helped fuel cowboys' some of the toughest conditions imaginable. One of the most beloved chuck wagon breakfasts was sourdough flapjacks. Trail cooks used carefully maintained sourdough starters to create thick pancakes cooked on cast iron griddles. Served with molasses, they offered a welcome change from everyday biscuits. Another forgotten favorite was beef liver and onions. Though not universally loved, it provided valuable nutrients and was often prepared whenever fresh cattle were available. Cowboys also enjoyed campfire baked beans enriched with bacon grease and onions. Slow cooked for hours, the beans became richer and more flavorful. As the day progressed, another practical meal was potato stew. Combining potatoes, onions, and bits of meat, it stretched limited supplies while providing filling nourishment. Smoked ham occasionally appeared on the menu as well. Preserved meats were highly valued because they could survive weeks without refrigeration. Our Chuck Wagon classic was cowboy bread. Baked in Dutch ovens, these dense loaves accompanied soups, beans, and stews throughout the cattle drive season. Rice and gravy became another dependable meal. Rice stored easily and absorbed flavorful gravies made from beef drippings and seasonings. Another forgotten dessert was dried apple pie. Trail cooks rehydrated dried apples before baking them beneath simple crusts inside cast iron ovens. Cowboys often ate scrambled eggs whenever fresh eggs could be obtained from nearby ranches. Though rare during long drives, they were considered a special treat. Another frontier favorite was beef and onion skillet. Fresh beef cooked with onions over open flames created simple but satisfying suppers. The Chuck Wagon itself served as more than a kitchen. It became the social center of camp life. Cowboys gathered around it to eat, exchange stories, discuss trail conditions, and enjoy rare moments of relaxation. Trail cooks earned tremendous respect because the quality of meals directly influenced morale. A skilled cook could make difficult journeys far more manageable. Food shortages, storms, and rough terrain constantly challenged frontier cooks, yet they adapted by using preserved ingredients, hunting game, and making the most of every available resource. Meals were often repetitive, but they provided the calories necessary for physically demanding work. Cowboys could spend 12 to 16 hours a day riding, herding cattle, repairing equipment, and standing watch. These forgotten Chuck Wagon meals helped sustain one of the most iconic professions in American history. They fueled cattle drives that connected ranches, railroads, and growing frontier towns. Today, the image of a Chuck Wagon surrounded by cowboys remains one of the strongest symbols of the Old West. The beans, biscuits, coffee, stews, cobblers, and skillet meals prepared from those wagons continue to represent the rugged spirit of frontier life and the enduring legacy of the American cowboy.